Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So today I'm testing the Meguiars Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner. This has been heavily requested by you guys, my viewers, because recently I did a battle video of wheel and tire cleaners to figure out which one was my favorite one. There was also my 2021 Car Detailing Products Awards video where I selected my top 3 wheel and tire cleaners. And well, you guys heavily requested that I also test this one. So by the way, quick disclosure, this is not a sponsored video. Meguiars did not pay for this video. And I went myself to my local auto parts store to purchase this. By the way, in Canada, this goes anywhere from 18 to 20 Canadian dollars. And in the US, of course, prices fluctuate. But from what I saw, it's anywhere from 10 USD to 18 or 19 USD. I'll leave the links, by the way, to this product in the description under the video for you guys to check it out. Essentially, it's a 710 ml bottle or 24 ounces. And the instructions are quite simple. So what we're going to do today is test this on a vehicle that was properly neglected by its owner. So dirty wheels and tires, as you can hopefully see on camera right now. So heavily caked with brake dust. Look at that inner barrel especially. There's tons and tons of brake dust. High performance German vehicles like this BMW generate tons of brake dust. So this is going to be a good test. And the tires are also dirty. Now this wheel cleaner doesn't state that it can clean tires, but what we're going to do is also clean the tires and test it. And after the run with the product, I'm going to use Extra Tough on the tires. This is my favorite multi-purpose cleaner and degreaser. So we're going to test this on the tires and see if there's any browning left. It should be a white foam if it's properly clean. Now, the particular thing about the Meguiars all-wheel cleaner is that it quickly dissolves heavy brake dust, but it has color changing technology. So this means that it's going to react with the iron particles that are from your brake discs, right? All that brake dust, it gets caked on. And if it's left there for too long to bake in the sun, well, the heat, it's going to react with oxygen and water and start rusting as well. It can start pitting your wheels. So this is highly corrosive and it's important to do a proper maintenance. Now, the other thing about the Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner by Meguiars is that it's safe on all wheel finishes. So if you have aluminum wheels, anodized OEM factory finish with a clear coat, or even these glossy black wheels like you can see on the outer lip and the inner barrel, absolutely no problem. This is safe. It's a gel-like substance. And I know you guys like to see me do this. So this is the first time that I'll be using this and we'll see how efficient it is. And I'll give you my verdict at the end. So of course you're going to see the demo. If we read the back label, one of the particularities is that you do not pre-rinse the wheels before using this. So they want you to apply it on dry and it's quite simple. So apply on dry wheels, do not pre-rinse the wheels. Use in the shade on cool wheels, of course, and brakes. So make sure that they're cool to the touch. Same goes for any wheel cleaner. Spray on a generous amount, covering the entire wheel. Let the product dwell for 2 to 4 minutes. So the dwell time is important if you want to let that iron removing capabilities react. Do not let the product dry on the surface. That is very important. Spray off with a powerful stream of water and dry the wheels. Of course, agitation may be required for some heavily soiled wheels, which is the case here. So we have an assortment of different brushes and a pH neutral car shampoo in a bucket just to make sure we have enough lubrication. So I know you guys are dying to see this. Let's go ahead and start the demo. All right, guys, so let's start the demo with the Meguiars Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner. Always shake your chemicals well before use. We're going to turn on the sprayer and we're generously going to spray on the wheels and tires. So like I said, we're going to be testing the tire cleaning capabilities as well. Why not? And we're applying this on a dry wheel as stated on the instructions. So we're going to spray liberously. Like any Meguiars product, I have a feeling this is going to be good. I know a lot of you guys liked it. I'm already seeing the color change. So turning to this purple, indicating that it's reacting with all the brake dust. These were heavily caked wheels, so we're going to be very generous with the amount that we spray on there. Anyways, it's a big 24-ounce bottle. And we're going to let that dwell now for 2 to 4 minutes and come back and start the agitation. All right, guys, so it's been roughly 4 minutes now, and we can tell tons of bleeding, so that color change to that dark red or purple tint, and that's working with all the brake dust to dissolve it and help you rinse that away. And we can tell that there's some grime from the tires as well being pulled. So let's go ahead, take our tire brush, spray a bit of the Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner on there for some lubrication. We're gonna scrub the tire faces. All right, now we're gonna scrub the inner barrels. I like to work from top to the bottom with this Speedmaster wheel brush or the Easy Detail brush. They're pretty much identical. Again, I'll leave all the links to the tools, the products, the equipment in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. So what I can tell right now, it's definitely a great foaming product, so I like to see that. It gives very good lubrication. Hopefully you guys can see on camera, look at all that dirt that it's pulling out. So good lubrication, so it's very safe on all wheel finishes. So no need to wonder if it's gonna be okay or not on your wheels. Then we're gonna take our boar hair wheel brush to do the wheel faces. All right, let's rinse this off now and do the first assessment. So they look very, very clean. I don't see any leftover residue in the corners of the spokes here. So that looks good. The inner barrel looks super clean as well. Now let's see how good of a job it did cleaning the tires. So I'm gonna spray some extra tough multi-purpose cleaner degreaser. And the foam that this produces should be white if it pulled all the contamination. So the foam isn't as white as I would like. It's not super brown, so it did do a good job on tires, but in all fairness, Meguiars doesn't say that it's a wheel and tire cleaner. This is mainly a wheel cleaner, but let's see with another pass. Right, so that took care of the tires. So let's go ahead and dry the wheel and do the final assessment to see the final shots. So guys, this is the end result. So how do you feel that the Meguiars Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner did? Of course, well, try and make abstraction of the all the scratches and the swirls on the wheels. These are a bit oxidized, they need some polishing, but overall, it did a great job of cleaning the wheels, that's for sure. I don't see any leftover residue, especially in these corners here, so it did a great job at that. It left a nice finish. And I don't see all that caked on brake dust in the barrel as well. So a very, very good job of cleaning. I'm impressed. And of course, it takes care of the iron deposits as well. So good job, Meguiars Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner. It doesn't smell that bad. I was expecting a heavier chemical smell like rotten eggs when you're using iron removers. If you guys know, they tend to smell like rotten eggs. This still doesn't smell the best there, but it's not a super strong smell, and it did a great job at what it promised. So in the back, they state that it quickly dissolves brake dust and grime and dirt. It's pH balanced, so safe on all wheel finishes. And it says the gel formula changes color as it cleans. So those are the promises, and I think it delivered exactly on those promises. By the way, you guys let me know how you felt this did, and if you use this, do you like it? My viewers always love feedback. Drop a comment in the comment section under the video. Again, I remind you, all the links for the tools, products, and equipment, I'll drop them in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. So thumbs up to the Meguiars Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner. Again, this is not a sponsored video. I purchased this on my own on my local auto parts store. And by the way, if you want to see me put this up against other wheel cleaners. You let me know against which ones you want to see it go ahead in a battle video. I know you guys love those videos, so leave a comment in the comment section. And yeah, this is a pretty good wheel cleaner. It will probably stay in my arsenal. It's a bit on the expensive side, of course, considering that you cannot dilute this. Also keep in mind, it didn't do such a great job on tires. They don't say that it's a tire cleaner, so that's fine. But you'll need a dedicated tire cleaner or a multi-purpose cleaner degreaser if you want to do a better job on the tire. So just keep that in mind. So yeah, guys, that does it for the video. So in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you guys on the next one.